Remember those dino ribs that we cooked? What do you do with all the leftovers when everybody's been fed? I'll show you. Let's make a smoked beef fried rice. I get this thing smoking hot, like 500 plus degrees. A little penis oil. The old rice. Little sesame oil. Welcome, the fried rice connoisseur of the world, Aiden. What do you think of the smoked beef fried rice?
That is really good. You should try that.
You heard it, folks. The best fried rice in the whole entire world, hands down.